Good morning children. Welcome to today's online class. In previous class we have done exercise 7.6 question number 4 only is leaving. Rest all the questions we have done there. So now coming to question number 4, in this fill the boxes. Here one box is given and then minus 5 by 8 is equal to 1 by 4. So in previous class which question we have done where boxes was given in previous exercise, that was given box at the right side or else just equal to, only fraction was given. So here it is like an equation. At this stage you are not knowing what is an equation. You are having one chapter here, simple equations, that we will be seeing little later, but here I am explaining how to solve this kind of question. Here what box is given, that box only you will keep at one side, and this is minus 5 by 8 and here is equal to. This minus 5 by 8 when you take to the other side of equal, it will change to plus sign. Means negative sign will change to the positive sign and positive sign will change to negative sign. Means just the opposite it will be. So this minus 5 by 8 we are taking to the other side and it will now become plus 5 by 8. So after this box we will start writing equal to, and then 1 by 4 was already there, so that 1 by 4 will there only, and then minus 5 by 8 we are transferring here, so it will come little later, means after this 1 by 4, and it will change its sign, that is now it will become plus 5 by 8. Now some students are writing this 5 by 8 at the first position and then 1 by 4. So let me explain this with an example. Like suppose you are standing in the row in a queue for your copy checking in the classroom near the teacher. So when you are bringing the copies, do you enter at the first position? When all the others, suppose 10 students are already standing there. So will they give the space to you at the first position? They will never give. Or suppose if you are coming little later for paying the fees, and already 10 students or 10 parents are standing there. So will you get the space at the first position? You will never get. You have to join at the back only. That is the rule actually. So whatever number or whatever fraction is already there, that will be there only. And what you are changing and sending to the other side, it will join to the next space. At the last space you can say. Okay, so now this is the equation. Now how to solve this positive means fraction? You know how to add this. So 4 and 8 different LCMs, different denominators are there. So we are going to take the LCM there. LCM of what? LCM of denominators 4 and 8. 4 and 8. So you find out the LCM 4 and 8. Actually we are starting by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Again 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 1 copying down and 2 1s are 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. So 8 is the LCM. Now starting with equal only, this box, of course this box will be here. Now denominator will be the LCM. Now how to write? Okay, you are having different method I have told you. This is also one method what I was doing here. Now 1 by 4 you are changing. 1 by 4 you are changing to the denominator as the LCM. Now how this 4 will change to the denominator 8? When you multiply by 2. So as you are doing multiply by 2, the same you have to do for the numerator also. Now 2 1s are 2. So it is 2 by 8. And then the next number is 5 by 8. You are changing it to the denominator equal to LCM. Already 8 is here. How you will get 8? Nothing to do, only into 1. So here also into 1 only. So that is 5 into 1, 5. Now the two numbers are, in place of 1 by 4 we will write down 2 by 8. And in place of 5 by 8 it is 5 by 8 only. That is 8 and 8 LCM 8 only. means writing it together one time only, and the numerators we are adding, that is 7 by 8. So the value of this box is 7 by 8. This is your answer. So students, what actually we have done, this is your question, and this negative sign fraction we are transferring to the other side. So negative sign will change to the positive sign and it will be connected or it will be joined at the back side only. Okay. Now simple addition what we have done in question number 1 and all. So 4 and 8 LCM we have taken. LCM we got equal to 8. So now changing the denominators equal to LCM. So how this 4 will be changed to 8? By doing into 2 in the denominator. So what you are doing for denominator, the same you are doing for the numerator also. So now it is 2 by 8. Next 5 by 8 denominator equal to LCM, that is 5 by 8 only into 1. So into 1 for numerator also, that is 5 by 8 only. Then in place of 1 by 4 writing 2 by 8, in place of 5 by 8 writing 5 by 8 only. Then adding the numerators and denominator will be written one time only. So total 7 by 8. So the value of this box is 7 by 8. Understood this kind of question, how to solve? This is question number 4a part. Now in the same way, the next question is, it is minus 1 by 5 equal to 1 by 2. Nothing difference is there, only values are changing here. So 1 by 2 is there and this only values are changing. Don't worry that I have it rubbed it because you are getting this in PDF. Not to worry, only try to understand this. And children, again and again I am telling that you are getting these questions or these solutions in PDF means like how to write in your notes copy. You are getting full everything like I am writing on the board in the class. Same way fully you are getting in the notes type that you will be noting down in your copy. Like for the previous chapters also I have given, in the same way you will be getting. Before that I want to ask whether you are doing your homework. Homework means the workbook which I have asked chapter 1 to complete. That week is also over. Chapter 1 might have completed. And those who have not done, I am just asking you, you kindly do it because that will give you the practice and the questions in the exam will be from that workbook also. Not only from this textbook, from that workbook also you will get the questions. So my dear children, kindly do the solutions of that workbook also. It will give you practice. And the questions in that workbook is nothing different. It is just related to the topic what you are having in your textbook and what I am explaining here. All the thing, everything is just simple. When you go through the questions, it is very simple questions. Class 3 and 4 children are also able to do such kind of questions. So if you find time and just try to solve that, it will be very easy for you. So just do that. And this week, after completing this, I will give the homework for this week also. So that chapter 1 might have completed. Coming to the question back, the question is, this box minus 1 by 5 equal to 1 by 2. Now 1 by 2 will be here only. And this minus 1 by 5 when you transfer to the other side, it will change to the positive sign and the value will be this 1 by 5. 1 by 5. Now taking the LCM of the denominators. Taking the LCM of denominators 2 and 5. 2 and 5 both are the prime numbers. If you want to find out the LCM, that also you can do. 2 ones are 5 cannot be divided, so 5 copying down and then 5 ones are 1 copying down. 2 fives are 10. Otherwise, you can, if you want to do in the shortcut way, you must do that. You should have that practice because sometimes you are going to give the competitive exams also. So this 2 and 5 both are the prime numbers. So prime numbers, if they are there in the denominators, just the multiplication of them is the LCM. So 2 5s are 10. Here also if you are finding LCM, 2 5s are 10. So 10 is the LCM. Now the way how I have explained you, that we have seen in the question number 1. Now let us see some other way also, because some children, some parents, they are explaining to them in little different way. So okay, coming to the different way, first question I have explained by my method, how I am explaining. Now next question, it is completely same, only the values are different. Let us come to the different way how some other children are solving. Okay, this 1 by 2 plus 1 by 5. First we will draw one line, that is the separation line of numerator and denominator. Then for the denominator we will write down the LCM. Okay, 10 we have written here. Now 2 into how much will give you 10? First we will write down that 2. 2 5s are 10 into its numerator. 2 5s are 10 into its numerator. That is 5 will come here, plus 5 into 2 is 10. So that 2 will come here. 5 2s are 10. 2 into 1 means its numerator we have written. If here suppose some other number will be there, that number will come here. If suppose here some other number will be there, that number will come here. That is the other method. So 5 ones are 5 only, 2 ones are 2 only, and by 10, that is 7 by 10. So the value of this box is 7 by 10. So this way we are solving. It is just like the previous question, only the values has been changed. Now the C part is little different way. Only the position of this box and the value has been changed. So coming to the C part, here, 1 by 2 minus this box is equal to 1 by 6. Now how I have explained you transferring to the other side, that I have explained for the A and B part. So here if we follow that same method, how we will do? This is box is having minus sign. So let us take that box there. 1 by 2 will be here only, and that box we are taking that side. Okay, step by step we are going. This minus box will be that side, plus box. Okay, then we are writing here, this is called as implied sign, because equal sign is already there. Now this is a question like A and B part only, having plus sign there. So we will transfer this 1 by 6 to the other side. So 1 by 2 is already here, and this is not having any sign, means it is having positive sign. No sign means positive sign. Like 1 2 3, you are not writing plus 1 plus 2 plus 3, you are writing only 1 2 3. So no sign is there, means it is having positive sign. So when you transfer to the other side, it will change its sign to the minus. No sign is there, means positive sign. When you transfer to the other side, it will have minus sign. And box is already there. Here it is plus box. So we are not writing any sign here, because no sign means positive sign. Now it is a question like question number 1 of 7.6. So we are just solving. You can change also. First you can write on box and then 1 by 2 minus 1 by 6. Like 7 into 2 is equal to 2 into 7, or 7 plus 2 is equals to 2 plus 7. You can change the position of the numbers. Same way, instead of writing box here, you can write box here and the values that side. If you are not doing any changes in the sign, the thing you can transfer here and there, no problem in that. Now solving this, first you have to take the LCM of the denominators. Denominators are 2 and 6. So finding out the LCM, 2 and 6. 2 2 ones are 2 threes are, then 3 ones are. 3 twos are 6. So the LCM is 6. Now, any of the method you can follow. Second method is occupying a little less space. So we are following that. 2 3s are 6 into its numerator, that is 1. Minus, that minus sign is having in between 6. 1s are 6. 6, how many times 6? That is 6 1s are 6 into its numerator, that is 1 only. So 3 1s are 3 minus 1 into 1, 1 by 6. That is 3 minus 1, 2 by 6. So the value of this box is 2 by 6. You can also change it to the simplest form, but we are not doing because it is having the denominator 6. It will be easy for checking the value again. You can do the checking also. Means 1 by 2 minus, instead of this box you can write down 2 by 6 and then check, you will get the same value 1 by 6. In this way, so the value of this box is 2 by 6. So in this way we have completed question number 4, and in this way we have completed exercise 7.6 also, and finally we have completed our chapter number 7. So my dear children, try to practice it again and again, and PDF when you are getting along with this video of question number 4 which you are watching on Friday, on 18th you will be getting your PDF also full of chapter 7. Try to complete that in your notebook by Monday, means Friday. After that Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 3 days time you will be getting. By that time you try to complete this chapter 7 fully in your notebook. Along with that, find some time and do questions of workbook. And my dear children, chapter 1 already you have completed of workbook. So, homework for this week. Workbook, chapter 2. Full chapter 2 you will be completing this week. Now, why I am asking full of the chapter 2? Because chapter 2 is having only less number of pages there. Chapter 1 was having more number of pages, so I have divided into 2 parts. 2 weeks I gave for that. But this chapter 2 is having less number of pages. You can do that. So, 1 week time I am giving you. Chapter number 2 you have to complete. And don't think that I will not be asking this to show. Anytime I can be asking you through your broadcast group to show that, or through your WhatsApp group. Anyway, I can ask you to show all these pages whether you have done or not. So, just keep on completing that. So, this much. This is your homework. Thank you for today's class.